ISTQB Foundation Level Question 31. Which of the following are usually stated as testing objectives? 1. Finding defects in the software. 2. Reducing maintenance costs. 3. Verify whether requirements are fulfilled. 4. Assessing the quality of the software. 5. Meeting schedule milestones. Answers: A. 1 and 2. B. 1, 3, and 4. C. 2, 4, and 5. D. 3 and 4. Please press pause to choose your own answer before you see the correct answer on the screen. Correct answer is B. 1, 3, and 4 are usually stated as test objectives. This answer is based on definition of test objectives in ISTQB Syllabus. We will see that in the explanation section of this video a little later. Let's take a closer look at all the statements from 1 to 5 to find valid test objectives. Statement 1 is valid because finding defects in the software is valid test objective. The second point in ISTQB Syllabus. Statement 2 is invalid because reducing maintenance costs is management objective, not test objective. Statement 3 is valid because verify whether requirements are fulfilled is valid test objective. The fifth point in ISTQB Syllabus. Statement 4 is valid because accessing the quality of the software is valid test objective. The eighth point in ISTQB Syllabus. Statement 5 is invalid because meeting scheduler milestones is management objective, not test objective. So, it's easy to find right answer excluding statements 2 and 5 from the other answers. But of course, you should remember by heart or figure out all the test objectives in the ISTQB Syllabus. Explanation. However, let's look at the section 1.1.1 test objectives in the ISTQB Syllabus, where we can see that the second point is triggering failures and finding defects. The fifth point is verifying whether specified requirements have been fulfilled. And the eighth point is building confidence in the quality of the test object. This is fully consistent with the statements 1, 3, and 4 of our question. At the first glance, all the statements are strikingly similar. But if you thoroughly figure out the definitions of test objectives, solving such kinds of tasks will be relatively simple for you. I am sincerely sure that you will pass the ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level exam. Never give up.